Dubai, the crowning jewel of the United Arab Emirates, is located on the eastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula and is extremely well known for its warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage. With year-round sunshine, intriguing deserts, beautiful beaches, luxurious hotels and shopping malls, fascinating heritage attractions, and a thriving business community, Dubai receives millions of leisure and business visitors each year from all around the world.
Our trip to Dubai began on the 2nd of February 2020 from the Delhi International Airport by an Indigo flight. We reached Dubai Airport at around 6:30 p.m. An easy way of traveling within Dubai using its public transport system is the electronic NOL card. We purchased NOL cards and SIM cards for ourselves at the airport itself and then took a metro from Airport Terminal 1 to Al Riga station. From there, we walked down to our Hotel Monaco. The hotel was very comfortable and was surrounded by supermarkets, from where we purchased our dinner and next day's breakfast.
The hop-on hop-off buses that ply across 3 routes in Dubai cover most of the important points of interest in the city and have stops at most big malls, metro stations and other sightseeing spots. Dubai features a vast array of massive and glitzy shopping malls all over the city. A trip to Dubai remains incomplete without a visit to at least a few of these man-made wonders. The Wafi Mall in Dubai is an upmarket Egyptian-themed shopping center at Wafi City in the Hurair district of Dubai. Featuring statues and pyramids reminiscent of Egypt, it is home to more than 350 stores, a family entertainment center, and a good selection of restaurants. The Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary features a protected lagoon, home to beautiful flamingos. The flamingos can be enjoyed from a distance in their natural environment through a viewing hut. The winter season brings more species of birds to the sanctuary.
After our visit to Flamingo Lagoon, we came back to Wafi Mall, where we took all the 3 routes of the hop-on hop-off service to reach Marina Mall.
Situated within the fashionable neighborhood of Dubai Marina, the Dubai Marina Mall is relatively small by Dubai standards. The four-level mall features a large circular atrium and a promenade that extends onto the waterfront. The Marina boat cruise starts from here and offers a different angle of Dubai through a relaxing boat tour down the lagoon into the Persian Gulf. One gets to admire the captivating view of the Palm and the famous Dubai skyline.
We then took the Blue Route hop-on hop-off bus to reach Atlantis, the Palm, where we visited the lost chambers of Atlantis Aquarium. The island housing the Atlantis Mall is shaped like a palm and is home to the plushest residences in Dubai.
The Atlantis Palm is home to the magical underwater aquarium, the Lost Chambers, with the lost world of Atlantis as its theme. It houses more than 65,000 marine animals, including sharks and stingrays, and offers activities like snorkeling and diving. The Palm Jumeirah is an artificial archipelago or collection of small islands created using land reclamation in the Persian Gulf. An aerial view of the archipelago shows a palm tree within a circle. It is home to luxury residents and, among others, the iconic Atlantis Hotel. Food trucks offering snacks like shawarma dot the Palm Jumeirah boardwalk, popular for its views of the Dubai coastline and the sail-shaped Burj Al Arab Hotel. The Mall of Emirates is another iconic location in Dubai, featuring over 600 stores along with Ski Dubai, which makes sure Dubai residents have access to some winter fun all year through.